Hello friends, this is your own Dr. Hema, MD in Homeopathy from Mumbai. Today's topic is a very commonly asked topic and it is very common symptom regularly seen. So a very short and a quick video with all the information. So today's topic is swelling in the feet, also known as edema, also known as fluid retention. It is very common. पैरों में सूजन आ जाना, ये क्यों आता है और इसका बहुत ही सिंपल से लेके बहुत ही सिवियर कॉज होता है, इसके बारे में हम जानेंगे. So today there is first initial the swelling could be a very basic if you're traveling somewhere, car ride, aeroplane ride, bus traveling, and you have a swelling. Second, if you have diabetes, if you have obesity, if you are pregnant, if you have some kind of heart problems, kidney problems. So these are the basic reasons that you have swelling edema in the feet. So these are the causes. Very quickly, what you can do at home with this. First thing, elevate your both the legs above the heart level. That means above the heart level, put a round pillow near your legs, under your legs, or pile up 2-3 pillows and keep your legs above till the swelling decreases. You can keep your leg soaked in the hot water. Also, you can add salt. The second thing is you can have a cold compress, like ice packs, you can use it. Also, you can reduce your sodium intake in your diet, increase your water intake, that is hydration. This is normal things and your fluid retention decreases. Now here comes that if your fluid retention is not decreasing, if it is continuous, if you have some more symptoms like abdominal pain, chest pain, there is a shortness of breath, headaches, there is nausea, vomiting, it could be the irregular heartbeat, then it could be the reason that your heart and kidney is involved. So you need to be very careful and you need to take the immediate medications. These are just quick solutions that you can do when there is fluid retention. And if you have some more queries regarding this, you can follow me and you can email me for any questions for this swelling of feet. Thank you, friends.